On several of my tours, you've heard me mention DocuSketch, and I've said now we're going to come back and we're going to DocuSketch the building. What do I mean by that? DocuSketch is essentially a three-dimensional camera that sits on a tripod that we take to our claims, and it takes 360-degree photos of every room, enabling us to document every square inch of the damage for later reference. In addition, we typically use DocuSketch to help us measure the building, create an ESX that we will later drop into Xactimate. So today, we actually have a treat because I have my daughter, Drew, who is my summer intern. She's working for Dad. I'm not sure how she feels about that, but we'll see. And so one of Drew's many tasks is Drew.
Hey, y'all.
And there's Drew. Drew actually handles the DocuSketch. And so there, as you can see, there is the camera. And Drew's going to go room by room. This is a motel, so there's a couple of dozen guest rooms, all of which are affected by smoke, water, and fire, and then an entire center section of the building where the roof is actually in a state of partial collapse. Anyway, as you can imagine, Drew has a lot of work to do. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Time to get to work.